Good afternoon, students. This is Peshohan. Once again, I am going to present my third video for the students of class 9. Students, as I told you in my first video that I will release 3 videos for this story. So this is the third and the last video for the lesson, that is the little girl for 9th class students. I hope the assignments which were given to you in 2 continuous videos, you might have completed them. I will also give you assignment after this video. So students, in my previous video, as I told you that Kezia used the papers which were of her father. Actually, it was the script which her father was going to present in his office. But unknowingly, she torn these papers and used for making a cushion for her father's birthday. As it was advised by her grandmother to make a beautiful gift for her father, when father was very worried trying to find out the papers, all the servants were interrogated regarding these papers, but nobody was in a position to answer. Mother was also asked. She searched everywhere, but nobody could find these papers. Finally, mother thought of Kezia. She asked her. Then Kezia asked her mother if she was asking about those papers which were lying on the table. She told her mother very innocently that she has used those papers for making a cushion. When her mother saw that these papers were of no use, she has torn them and stuffed into a cushion. And mother informed father about this incident, and father got angry and asked mother to bring Kezia down. Father became very much angry about these papers, and Kezia was not in a position to face her father. After some time, father thought that the girl should be taught a lesson. He took a rule in his hand and went into her room and told Kezia that she would be punished for the offense which she has committed. Now, when Kezia saw a ruler in his hands, she was much terrified. Father told Kezia that she should be taught a lesson, that the things which are not meant for her, she should not touch them. For this, father gave Kezia a good beat. Kezia was weeping badly, and she was not in a position to speak. She was already in such a position that whenever she saw her father, she was not in a position to speak even a single word. But this time she got a good beat, and she was inwardly feeling that she has done something wrong. She has done something which is going to trouble her father. Therefore, she became much terrified, and she was not in a position to speak anything. She was just sobbing. After getting good beat, she came to her grandmother. Grandmother tried to console her. She told her that her father was not at fault, but since she has caused a great trouble to her father, therefore it may be happen. After that, Kezia was weeping, lying in her grandmother's lap and thinking, why God has made such fathers. Students, such kind of feeling comes with everyone, whether it is you, whether it's me in my childhood. Whenever something happens against our will, whether it is good for us or bad for us, such kind of feelings comes to our mind. The same thing was coming with Kezia. She was thinking, why God has made such fathers. One more thing helped her to think likewise. It was her neighbor, Mr. McDonald, who was her neighbor. He was having few children. Kezia used to notice that Mr. Donald used to play with his children into the courtyard, and every child was happy with his father. He notices that Mr. Donald make her children sit on his shoulder and play a certain game with them. That time she thinks this is also a kind of father. Why her father is not like that? But at that time, since the circumstances were not with Kezia, therefore her thoughts were always negative for her father. Few days later, Kezia's mother fell ill, and her grandmother had to go to hospital to attend her mother. Father also used to go there, but mother was ill, so grandmother was in care of her mother in the hospital. Now Kezia was left with her cook, that was Alice. Alice was trying her best to keep Kezia happy, but when it became night, Alice asked Kezia to go to bed and sleep. Kezia told that she is in a habit of dreaming fearful dreams. She asked Alice if she dreams what will happen, but Alice anyhow tried to console her and told her not to be worried and asked her to go to bed and sleep. While Kezia was sleeping in her bed, as it was her habit, she dreamt a fearful dream. In her dream, Kezia saw a butcher was there in her room. He was holding a knife. The butcher has blew off the candles. It was complete dark in her room, and the butcher was giving quite smile. This was giving Kezia fearful sensation or fearful feeling. She thought as if her throat has been choked. She was not in a position to speak. She was becoming panicked. Suddenly, she felt that the butcher, who was having knife in his hands, took Kezia in his lap and was taking down from her room. After a few moments, she saw that she was lying on the bed and her father was beside her. Her father was telling Kezia to be close to him so that she may feel warm. Kezia was lying with her father, and she noticed, because of fear, she was not in a position to sleep. She noticed that it was her father who slept before Kezia. She noticed that father was in a complete sleep. Suddenly, a kind of notoriousness came to her mind. She was thinking, what kind of a strange father he is. Now she started thinking about Mr. Donald and the other fathers of the world. Now she realized that it was her father who made her in a comfortable position. Her thinking, her thoughts were changing. Now she thought that her father, about whom she was thinking wrong, her father is having a great heart, big heart. His father is loving. He is also like the other fathers of the world. This made Kezia sleep comfortably. Thank you.